Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. From unit number 1, the nature of science. Today we have lesson number 2, how do scientists observe? Senses. Scientists use their senses to observe. You can use your sense too. You like to observe things like size, shape, and color. You listen to observe sounds. So basically we observe through our senses. Senses are like tasting something from your tongue, listening something from your ears, seeing something from your eyes, and touching something by your hands. Now we have an activity. Circle the things you can hear. So what can we hear? What do you think in these 4 pictures can be heard? Number 1, dog. Dogs can bark and we can hear them. Frog. Frog is the correct answer also because we can hear frog making any kind of a noise. Then bird. Chirpings of bird can also be heard. So the correct answer is dog, frog and bird. Tools. What are tools? Tools can be used by the scientist to observe. A hand tool is used. A hand lens is a tool which can use to be see things, and then we have a ruler from which we can measure things. We have a balance. From balance we can measure the weight of something, and the word measure. Measure means नापना, वजन करना किसी चीज़ का, about how much it is, how long it is, how short it is, measuring anything about a certain object. Then we have an activity, circle the tools. You have these 4 pictures in your book as well. First of all, a ruler, it is used to measure the length, so correct. Then we have a hand tool which is used to see something from clear or zoom perspective, true. And then we have balance. Balance means कि आप वज़न करें दो चीज़ों का आपस में कि वो एक बिल्कुल सेम है या उनके वज़न में थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, एक ज़रा भारी है, एक ज़रा सी हल्की है. सो बैलेंस इज़ यूज टू वेट द मटीरियल, टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. दोनों. Circle T for true and F for false. Number 1 is scientists use tools to observe. Correct. True. You observe something, how big or small it is. True. You only have 3 senses. False, because we have 5 senses. Then compare and group. Scientists say how things are alike. They say how things are different. Compare means if you have two things which have some similarities and some differences. And then the other term is group. Scientists group things, like you have things from a different domain and you make a group of them. How do you make a group of certain things? For example, you have apples and you group them according to their size because some are small and some are big. And you compare them by looking at their color. One is green and one is blue. This is the difference. But they both are apple. This is a similarity. Or they both are big. So this is a similarity. Then we have safety. What is safety? You follow rules in science to stay safe. Some tools help you stay safe too. For example, these tools can be, circle the tools that help us stay safe, safety goggles, and list of rules. Safety goggles make us safe through, like if we're doing an experiment or we are having something in front of us which can harm our eyes, so we can use safety goggles and prevent it. So it can help us save our eyes. And then 3 option, list, wear goggles, and wash your hands. Wash your hands and you can take a good care of your hygiene, and you can wear goggles and save yourself as well. Then you have homework. Do activity 10 on page number 11. Read and circle the things that are alike. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.